Hey guys, it's Black and White Fitness.
Black and White Fitness here. So today, what we're going to be talking about is, it's a common question to ask, but cutting and gaining muscle, is it possible, is it impossible, or is it probable? What is it, man?
Probable, and it's past possible.
You can gain muscle while you're cutting, but you need to be in a positive nitrogen balance. Quote unquote, James will tell you what that means.
Positive nitrogen balance basically means you need to eat a shit ton of protein.
Protein would be actually more important when you're cutting than bulking.
Yeah, because when you're bulking, you're at a surplus anyway, so you're going to gain mass no matter what. But when you're cutting, your body is essentially in a starvation mode. So
not used to the normal amount you use.
So it's gonna be trying to get fuel sources from everywhere. So that's why it's even more important to get protein when you're cutting than when you're bulking. Because when you're cutting, that's when you're most likely to lose your muscle, not when you're bulking.
Yeah. So let's say when you're bulking, you get 200 grams a day for your ideal protein. When you're cutting, you should be getting 250 grams, just to make sure that one, you don't lose muscle, and two, gain muscle while you're cutting, right?
Yeah.
So you still do all the normal routine,
The recommended is 1 gram per pound of body weight. But I would recommend, if you're trying to build muscle while losing fat at the same time, you have to go at least 1.5 grams per pound of body weight, at least. So for me, that would be like 220, 230 grams of protein a day. That's crazy amounts, but you gotta do what you gotta do if you wanna lose weight and build muscle at the same time.
Yeah. But if you guys just, if you're gonna build all your muscle while you bulk and you don't wanna build any more muscle while you cut, that's fine too, just make sure you're still getting enough protein and you're set. So we killed the myth basically for any of you who thought it was BS. It's not BS.
Give that a shot. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Black and White Fitness, you know.